Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Canon Pixma TR4720 all-in-one printer. In my opinion, the best thing about this printer is its wireless capability and the fact that it is an all-in-one printer, meaning that it has Wi-Fi built in that allows me to print, scan, and copy from my computer, from my smartphone, and my tablet. And it can handle a variety of different tasks from printing documents to printing photos to detailed scans. What I love about this printer is the size. I think it is the perfect size for either a home office or even your workspace at work. The results are consistently impressive. I never have to worry about weird ink spots or paper jams. It's very easy and quick to set up. When I first got it, it only took me about 5 minutes. This is the best, most reliable home printer we've ever owned. And that's my point of view.